So for 3b, we have to create a special cookie order class. So I'm going to create a new class, which is called special cookie order, and it has a new field called description. So we have an auto-implemented field called special description, and I'm going to add it to the very top. But it also asks that we override the method that sets the cookie order price. So which method sets the cookie order? Well, let's go to the parent one here. So this sets the cookie order, so we have to override this. We can use new over there in the child, but in this case, let's use virtual in the parent. And then I'm just going to copy this so I can reuse and avoid some typing. And then I can say, in the child, I can say, instead of virtual, of course, I have to say override. So we are overriding. And we don't need to change get. However, we need to change set. But we have a few problems here. So the first problem that we have, well, the very first one is that I have to make sure that this is in a child of cookie order. That's the first thing. So this will disappear. Now, dozens, it's saying that it cannot see dozens. Well, it cannot see lowercase dozens because if we go back there, dozens is set to private. I'm going to set this to protected to fix that. So we should now see dozens. Great. Same thing that we have to do on price to. So I'm going to go back there. I'm going to set price to protected instead of private. And now this should be all good. But now we have to apply the new rule that says, let's see here, price as described in part 2, but also to include special handling, which is $10 for orders up to $40 and $8 for higher priced orders. Okay, so we have a few magic numbers. Again, what do we do with magic numbers? We create constants. Okay, so I'm going to create a constant in the child called low special. So at the very top, a constant called low special, which is $8 more, and a high special, which is $10 more. Okay, and then we have a price cutoff too. We have a $40 there that is the mark. If it's under $40, we just add the high special. If it's over $40, we add the low special. So we have to do a little bit of math there in the dozens. After the first code gets executed, we check if this price here is less than 40, adds $10. If it's over 40, just adds $8 for delivery. Now, for us to see this in action, let's rename our cookie demo to cookie demo 2. But actually, I didn't even rename it cookie demo. This is the first one, which I should have done this earlier, but that's fine. So we have cookie demo here, and then this is the original one, 3A, and I'm gonna rename this to cookie demo 2 to show an example of the use of special cookie order class. So I'm gonna save this as cookie demo 2, and I'm going to add some coding so we can check the next implementation, which is the special order implementation. Just gonna reuse this quite as is, but just add a few more lines for the special description. And also the display will change a little bit. Instead of instead of cookie order, the parameter, it will be a special cookie order. We'll change this again. This is just for the sake of demonstration. So let's rename this, and I have fixed some mistypes there on the dozens. So now we need also to add this here, and here, and here, and dozens. Let's make this right. And now we are adding the special description to the output. Well, I'm bad at typing today. Okay, great. So console.writeLine. If we run this, now we can see all our new amounts and the new orders. We have the older rules plus the new ones, the new rules of special, of high price, special, and low price for the delivery value being added to the final price, because we have override the calculation of dozens with this additional piece of code. That's it.